Marunong na, di na kailangan ng ano, si assistant. Okay, more. More pa iron, more. Joy, iron man ang assistant, no? Siya lang. Wala na, di na kailangan assistant yan. Diyan na, tuluin ako si Iron sa pagdikit para makamauna na siya. Dikit. Yan. Yan. Iron, more pa, Iron, more. More. Put. Oh, yan. Ito, paste. Yan, dyan.
Dito mo lagay, dito.
Get more. Here. You put it here. Put it.
Dito mo lagay.
Wait, real words. Wait. Ayun na lang.
Here, oh.
Diyan mo yan. Dito na dyan, dito na.
Look at it. Sit down. Sit down. Oh, may glue tayo dito. May glue tayo dito.
Dito naman, dito.
Good job, Jay. Put it back to teacher.
Good job, Aaron. Where are you going? You sit down, you sit down. You sit down. Finish this. Put the sticky there. There, oh. Sticky, put the sticky. Ito. Put the red one.
Put the red here, Aaron. Get the mic. Not that one.
Here, oh, here.
Napinis ka na.
Oh, finish na? Eh, put sticky there. Here, oh. Get stick.
Luna. No.
There. Yan.
Dito mo lagay. Finish na.
Very good. Good job. Yay.
Goat is color black.
What is the color of the goat?
Ayan. Black. Bakit siya black?
Black ba yung goat? Brown nata.
Ayan, yung nakalagay black.
Ah, black.
Yung black dito. Color black. Yung walang black color. Ano ba yung color? Huwag mo siya pag-galit, ha? Color tayo. Brown yan. Ay, black.
Oh. Goat. Color the goat.
Color na black.
Ayos mo naman yung color, baby. Brown.
Sino? Karas. Ayos ha? Ayos color.
What color is it?
Ayos color. No, that's not finished. You sit down.
No, Aaron.
No, black only. Black only. Color the goat.
Only the goat.
Yeah, that is black. This is black, oh. Black. Black only. Black only, okay? Color the goat.
Black, okay. Black.
Oh, more, oh. Color the goat dito. Here.
Saan si Maymay? Color na lang.
Ito, yung yan. Yung yan.
Ate, finish mo.
Asa yung yan?
That's not finished. Oh, finish, finish.
Wow, look Luna. Look Luna. Color the color.
Color the goat, dali. Teacher will get mad. La, black only. Black only. Black only, ha?
Yung color slow.
Hmm?
Lampas.
Oh, hold properly. Hold properly.
Ano hindi?
That's not finished. Here, oh.
Yung mga paa naman. Paa.
Here.
Tapos yung paa. Yan.
Hindi na kailangan ng assistant si Heron.
Apat na paa. Dali. Ulitin niya.
Wow. Almost done. Look, Luna, oh. The goat is missing.
Yan, anong kulay yan? Tinamad ka na. Wala na. Apat na pit. Kami sila kaya.
Luna, give
Pit niya.
mommy.
Ayan, wala na.
Give to teacher. It's done. Done. Finish. Wow. Oh, give to teacher. Dali. Give to teacher. Give to Tata Joy. Teacher Joy.
No play. No. Bigay mo pa, bigay mo.
Give to teacher.
Ayan. Saan ka nakatingin? Yung pit niyang goat mo. Tapusin mo na. Ayan.
Lagot ka.
Jet, learn to
Yung isa pa.
Ina siya. Hatag ni.
Yan, lagot mo, lagot ka.
Finish na mga kulay.
How many stars do you have? You have 5 stars. Bye-bye.
Yay! Yay!
Hey, clean up, clean up.
Okay, kinapagyan niya si Bravo na. Dali.
Heron. 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 Clean up. Clean. Liquid toys. Liquid toys, okay? Dali. Help Tata, dali. Liquid toys, dali.
Jet, learn to share. Share has. It's okay. Bye, love guys.
Liquid.
Hailey, clean up. Hailey. Lagot ka kay Kuya Fidel.
Ay, tapos na yung kainan. Nakakami na sa hospital.
Heron. Heron. Enzo. Shh. Dito na, dito, balik. Huwag na kayo sa malayo. Inso, dito lang kayo. Inso, wag sa malayo. Pero wag kayo dito. May pupo. Oh.